figures out. Fucking heard that. Oh crap. Oh.
Where y'all at?
Oh.
You need to put some shoes on, baby.
Do I heard that? I heard that somewhere.
¿Todavía está lloviendo? Put shoes on.
How are they
Because
tricking
you're
them?
going to go inside and you're going to wet the whole house. In the backyard.
I don't know. Where's it at, bro?
I hear them over here.
Yeah, girl. When we went over here, there was a lot, and then we went over there, and then they went over
And it was over here.
Oh,
Ooh. Okay, I need a good view. I need a good view. Hold on. I need to.
Desi, no, ma'am.
Hold on. There was some. Oh. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was right there somewhere.
I hear them. But I don't
Oh.
see them.
Yeah, I definitely saw that one. Oh. Okay, they're over there. Oh yeah. Dang. Nah. Ooh. Bro, y'all definitely seen this right now.
Desi, get over here.
What are you doing over there? Oh, but that was a lot. Oh my gosh, this is like the best. This is like the best moment, man.
Over here, stop. It was over here.
I saw the meme that said, you don't need to record. You know you're not going to watch it.
I'm posting this on YouTube. Yes. Desi, get over there.
Huh?
Go to that freaking house, Desi. Don't be on the road.
But you.
Okay, I'm older. Huh. Okay, guys, we do not need to worry about what I just said. I was just trying to. Oh, right there. Wait.
Come over here, son. Over here.
Okay. Where? Okay, do not worry about them. Okay, anyways.
Desi, where are you going? Yeah, but you have no shoes on.
Yeah, there was a lot. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay.
Come over here. I don't want you in the street, Desi.
Hold on. We did. Okay. I got one over here. Oh, there's a lot. Okay. We've definitely seen this one.
That was cool.
Okay.
Don't tell me that was not cool. Oh, I heard them over there.
Okay, there's one coming over there somewhere. Okay. Oh, y'all can literally see the smoke at the light. Oh, wait a minute. I did not get that one. I barely got it. Okay. Okay, not gonna lie. Oh. Okay, I saw that one. It's just I don't think I think I barely got that one. Oh. That I swear.
I literally.
Hold on. Okay, saw that one right there. Oh. Wait. There's definitely one coming up from over there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and happy 4th of July. You guys like fireworks? If you guys like fireworks, just type in yes. Then if you're not interested, just say no in the comments. Whatever you want. And I'll see you guys later, and happy, like I said, happy 4th of July and peace.